There are three ways to create cost types, and I will demonstrate them in this video. So first of all, let's go to the chart of cost types. And because my demo company Kronos isn't using cost accounting yet, you will see that the chart is empty. So this means that if I now want to start using cost accounting, I should create new cost types. And of course, if you know that cost types are similar to the income statement GL accounts, then the following function is a very interesting one to get up and running. So it's the get cost types from chart of accounts function. Because by running this function, Business Central will create a new cost type for each income statement account. So let's run the function, and you will see that now we have 38 cost types. So let's look at an example. So I will open the first one, so income services. So there's the number, the name, the type field, and so on. And here you can see the GL account range. So this is the mapping with the GL account. Now there are a couple of different options that you can also read in one of the other units in this learning path. So you can of course have a one-on-one relation, as you can see here, but you can also have a one-on-multiple relation. So you can map multiple GL accounts, or you can also create a cost type without a GL account range. So and that's something that I will also demonstrate, because that's the second way of creating cost types, and that's simply creating them manually. So suppose I would like to create a new cost type for allocation purposes, something that we will discover in one of the following units. Then I need to do this manually because there's no GL account to map. So I will enter a number, so a description, allocations for example. So this is a cost type, so I will stick to the cost type. Then the other fields I can leave blank, so I will not combine entries, there is no GL account range, and so on. So that's basically it. So very simple. You only need to enter a few fields when you create cost types manually, which is then again the second way of creating them. And then there's the third way, which is automatically. So if you go to the cost accounting setup, so let's open the cost accounting setup, you can see that there are three alignment fields. So one for the cost types, one for the cost centers, and one for the cost objects. So they all have the same options, no alignment, which means that cost types in this case are not created automatically. Or you can also choose automatic or prompt. So and this means that if I would set this, for example, to automatic, then when creating a new income statement account, the system will automatically create a new cost type. So let me demonstrate this. I will go to the chart of accounts and I will create a new income statement account. So I will click on new, and there you can already see that the cost type has been updated in cost accounting. So and this is, for example, an account for travel expenses. It's an income statement account. Because I would like to use the account in purchase documents, I can set the general posting type to purchase, and so on. You can also select expense as the category. So these are the typical GL account settings that you need to do. But we could already tell by looking at the message we got that now, here it is again, the cost type is updated in cost accounting. So let's double check our cost types. So I will search for this chart of cost types again. There it is, travel expenses. So 61110. The new cost type, which is now created fully automatically by setting the alignment to automatic. So and that's the third way to create cost types.